Welcome to the course Digital Electronic. To understand digital electronic, first of all, we need to understand what is an electron. Here, in this diagram, you can see an atom. So, atom, everything around us is made by these atoms. Atoms are like building blocks of any matter. So, first of all, we need to understand what is an atom. To understand electrons, we should look at an atom. So here, orange circle is known as nucleus. Inside this nucleus, we have neutrons and protons. The blue one here is neutron. It has no charge, what is positive or negative. There's no charge on neutrons. The red one here is protons. Proton has a positive charge. Together, this neutron and protons, we call it nucleus. The tiny green one here is known as electrons. Electrons has negative charge. These electrons are very fast and spinning around a nucleus. The rod that these electrons are spinning around the nucleus is known as energy level or shell. We can call it as energy level or shells. There can be more than one shells of an atom. It's depending on the atom. It's varied from atom to atom. To understand all those things clearly, I'll use copper atom. Each and every atom, there's an atomic number. There's a number called atomic number. For the copper atom, it is 29. Number of electrons and atomic number is same. That's why the number of electron in this copper atom is 29. As you can see, all those 29 atoms are divided into 4 energy levels. And also, as you can see, there are some pattern to divide these 29 electrons around these 4 energy levels. Those are not just arranging anywhere. It has some pattern. To understand how many electrons for each energy level, we have an equation. That equation is 2n squared. By using 2n squared equation, we can find how many atoms we can use for each energy level. There are energy level numbers for each energy levels. The innermost energy level is known as 1, then 2, 3, 4 likewise. N means energy level number. So let's find out how many electrons can we have for first energy level. By using 2n squared equation, 2 times n means it's 1 because it is first energy level. 1 squared means 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times 2 means 2. The maximum electrons that can have by the first energy level is 2. Likewise, we can calculate for all the elements. Now, from 29, we can reduce 2. Then we can find how many electrons for second energy level, and then likewise we can find for all the 29 electrons. Finally, it will remain only one electron for outermost energy level. If we find electrons that need to fill with the outermost energy level, since it is fourth energy level, 4 times 4, 4 square means 4 times 4, it's 16, 16 times 2, 32. To fill out this outmost energy level, we need to 32 electrons, but we only have 1 electron. This outmost energy level is known as valence shell. The electrons are in the valence shell is known as valence electrons. These valence electrons are participating for chemical reactions. Another thing you should know, every time, every atom is trying to stabilize. To stabilize an atom, what they will do, they remove or add or share valence electrons. As you can see here, previously I told you there are 32 electrons we need to fill out this outermost energy level. Rather than taking all 31 electrons to here to fill the outermost energy level, it is easy to remove this only one electron from here. If we remove this outermost energy level, you can see it is stabilized now because the third energy level is filled out with all the electrons that it can have. So we can remove this electron from here. So the copper now will be copper ion. Now you may be thinking why we need to learn all those things. To understand digital electronics, if you know all those things, it will be easy for you to understand the concept. Because everything what we are doing in this lecture series, we are manipulating electrons. We are manipulating behavior of electrons by using electronic components. We can amplify, we can generate light by using electrons, we can generate sound by using electrons, we can store electrons. Doing electronic means we are manipulating electrons. So by having good understand about electrons, we can do all those electronic things easily. That's all for today. We will meet on next video.